Hello everyone, my name is Hydro and today I'm going to be showing you guys how you can apply to become a creator of the Minecraft marketplace, which is available in the Bedrock versions of the game. Anyway, so now let's get started. Alright guys, so what you want to do is copy the link in the description or directly click it. And once you come to this page, after you click the link, just click on apply now. And it's going to redirect you to the Microsoft page, which will take some time. And basically, if you're not signed into your account, okay, cancel this. So if you're not signed into your account like I am, then you'll have to sign in and then only you can start with this verification process. Anyway, so first what you want to do is select the country, whichever you live in. Remember, select your original country, otherwise it's going to charge you in dollars or something if you like select a different country. And anyway, account type individual, or if you're a company, it can also be company. So publisher name Hydro or whatever you want. It's really up to you. So I'm going to fill this part up. So I'm just going to fill this up and come.
A few moments later.
All right, guys. So after you have filled up this form, just hit on next. All right, guys. So this is the application which you have to fill up. And what Minecraft content have you created in the past?
They said, don't fall, don't forget all the things you've been taught, you've been told, don't blink, don't.
You have to fill all of this up. Like you need to send in your photos and everything. Blah blah blah, additional questions, why do you want to become the next marketplace creator list. And then after you complete all of this, so I have already submitted my application in my other account, so I'm not going to do all of this again. But yeah, that's basically it. So and then after you submit your application, basically you'll get an email confirmation and that's it, done. So this process can take up to a few weeks because it's reviewed by hand. Each application is reviewed by hand, so it will definitely take some time. And while you're waiting in the meantime, go ahead and check out some of my other videos that are on your screen right now. And I hope you have a good day and goodbye.